Alright guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Hanekan Evans. Alright, I'm gonna be revealing to you in this video the 5 reasons you should not go into crypto trading. Here are something you really want to hear. Just stay cross, just stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and you'll come to realize the 5 reasons you should not go into crypto trading. We'll be back in a moment. All right, guys, we are welcome back once again. Okay, now before I bring to your notice these 5 reasons you should not go into crypto trading, I really want you to understand this. I'm not in any way trying to say that crypto trading is evil, is bad. No. I'm trying to say that if you have these characteristics, then if you're this kind of a person, then you should not go into crypto trading. That is the point I'm trying to make here. So the first thing you need to know is if you are the kind of a person who don't have patience. If you don't have patience, then you should not go into crypto trading. You just want to go into crypto trading, make money instantly, grow. No. If you're kind of person that, for example, someone that is doing spot trading, sometimes you have to buy your coins, when the price is low, and then you have to patiently wait for a period of 3 to 6 months, sometimes even more, for the coins to get valued before you can get your profit. And so if you're this kind of person that have this kind of patience, you just buy today, and after 1 month you're like, come on, this thing is not working, and just sell it off, and you won't make any profit. So cryptocurrency demands patience. Or sometimes you enter into a trade like futures trading, and the candlestick starts dancing as usual, and it goes up at once, and you're like, wow, if I sell now I can get my profit. By the time you sell now, the things comes down a little, and you're like, oh, thank God I sold it. Before you know, the thing went out up so high, it went further up. And in which, if you had been able to exercise more patience, you would have had more profit. So if you're kind of person that you don't really have that much patience, just want it to be straightforward, just want it to just be, you don't want stress, then you should not go into crypto trading. Let me tell you the truth. Crypto trading stress a lot. Many people will not tell you this, but it is very, very stressful. Emotionally, it is stressful. Psychologically, it is stressful. So if you're not someone that have this patience to withstand all this, then you should not go into crypto trading. Now, the second thing is, if you can't afford to lose money. Now, the truth is, get this. Cryptocurrency is all about losing and gaining. So if you're kind of person that you want to buy this pen at, let's say, $10, and then sell it to tomorrow, let me say $13 or $12, and then you receive your $2 gain or profit. You don't want to buy this pen today $10, and tomorrow you sell it $15, and you buy it again tomorrow $10, and you sell it let me say $8. That means you're losing. You see now. So that is how crypto trading is. You lose today, you gain tomorrow, you gain tomorrow, you gain tomorrow, you lose next tomorrow. So it's a lose and again. Even the best of crypto traders, they lose. That is the actual fact. The best of them lose. There is no one who doesn't lose when it comes to cryptocurrency or crypto trading per se. So if you are a person that you cannot afford to lose money, you feel so bad, very bad, very, very bad, then you should not go into cryptocurrency. Yes, because you will definitely lose money. that is an inevitable fact. So the first thing you need to understand is, if you are so emotional, I said earlier on that crypto trading is so stressful. It's so stressful emotionally, it's so stressful psychologically. Sometimes you have to be able to manage loss. Sometimes you'll be trading, you started with $300 or let me say $50, okay? And for the past 3 days, you've been having good trade profits. And for the past 3 days, you've been able to accumulate, rise from $300 your initial margin to, let me say, $350 or maybe $400. And after the next, let me say, on the fourth day, you discover that the $400 you made, has dropped. You just lose particular trade and you drop from $400 down to $350. To you it's like you're going back. I started with $300 and I made $400 for the past 3 days, and now the fifth day I'm losing this kind of amount of money. No, I can't do this. It's so painful. No, come on. If you're the kind of person that is so emotional like that, you cannot manage your emotions. You feel so bad. You just feel so uncomfortable. You feel heartbroken. You feel so distressed whenever you lose money. If you're so emotional, then you should not go into crypto trading, because you see, crypto trading demands a lot of emotional strength. You have to be able to comfort yourself and say, okay, don't worry, I know we'll lose today or tomorrow, we're going to be better. And then you learn from your mistakes. If you cannot manage your emotions, then you are not the person that should go into crypto trading. I believe you get that. Okay, that's just the third reasons why you should not go into crypto trading. Okay, so now what's the fourth one? If you don't have much capital, and a lot of people may not quite agree with me in this one, but this is true. Now let me tell you this analysis. Now, if you are going into a trade with $10, and let's say the trade recorded a 300x, you might discover that at the end of the 300x, you only been able to make maybe $3 or $5. But someone that went into the trade with $1,000 be able to create, have been able to make like 500 additional profit, $500 additional. Okay, and number two, if you're coming into a trade with a very small margin, you cannot choose a higher leverage. No, you can only go with maybe 20x, 10x, 10x, 5x. But someone that went in with $1,000 could choose 50x leverage. And the higher your leverage, the higher your profit. So you discover that this trade went on so well. I got 300x profit. I had 300% profit. But why am I just arriving at $3, $5? Because you went in with a small margin. So that is why. And if you see this, you might not feel happy, you might not feel satisfied, and you might feel bad. Okay, you might feel bad. So therefore, one of the reasons you should not go. People think it's just cryptocurrency is where you just carry a little money and go and multiply. Is a lie. That is not true. It's not where you just carry a little money and multiply. It's where you carry your large money or your reasonable amount of money and manage them gradually to grow. It's not like gambling, or like betting, where you just go and then bet, multiply. No. It's not like that. You have to take in a reasonable amount of money, manage the money, and grow it. So if you don't have enough money, then I don't think you should go into crypto trading. What's the last one? Last one is, if you don't have time for money to trade. A lot of people stop trading. They lose in trading because they don't have time. They lose in trading because they don't have time to monitor their trade. If you just think, if you're having a very busy schedule of work and all you know is just go and place your trade and go back to your work, then at the end of the day you come and check, okay, let me see what's happening, and then you might not really need to go into trading, because there's sometimes the market will change, and if you were monitoring it, you'll be able to know what to do to navigate, to change patterns, or maybe to quickly call off the trade, or you could have, if you were monitoring the trade. Okay, so crypto trading demands your time. That is why most part-time trader may not make as much profit as full-time trader, because it demands time, demands focus. Okay, so if you're kind of person that you're so busy with work scheduled, and I don't think you should go into crypto trading, because you might not have the time to monitor your trade. Trading is like a business. Okay, so if you don't have time for it, then you're not going to be prosperous in it. That is the truth about it. So this, in summary, the 5 things you should watch out for. That is the things that if you fall into any of this category, you shouldn't go into trading. Is if you don't have patience. That's number 1. Number 2, if you cannot afford to lose money. Number 3 is if you are so emotional. Then number 4 is if you don't have much capital, or let me call it, much capital, or reasonable amounts of capital. Then number 5 is if you don't have time to monitor your trade. Then it's better you just stay clear from cryptocurrency, so that you will not be heartbroken. I believe this really helped a lot. Okay, so if this really helped in any way, please just do well to subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel so that a lot of people can get to know these things. Okay, do well to also like the video, and do well to also turn on the notification bell, so that each time we post new videos, you'll be the first person to see it. And having said that, I believe you subscribe. Okay, please just click that subscription button now. Okay, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's been a nice time with you. So have a nice day, okay? And do well to ask any question. If you have any question at all, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll be right there to answer you. Thank you very much.